Tama ba?
Hindi, ang binenta ho ng ABS Holdings are PDRs, not shares ho.
Oo nga, kaya ito, balik na naman tayo rito eh. Tagal na natin pinag-usapan to eh. Halimbawa, kung si Vice Chairman Defensor ang bibili noong 132 million shares na listed sa Philippine Stock Exchange, gagamit din siya ng broker. Tama po ba?
Yes, sir.
That's the practice and trade. So yung 132 million shares, babayaran niya ng 6 billion 72 million 10,000 pesos. Assuming the gross price of 46.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Pag binayaran niya, it should be in the form of cash.
Yes, Your Honor.
At sapagkat ang may-ari ng shares of stock at inabail niya, ang may-ari ng shares of stocks ay ang holding company, the holding company will be the payee.
Pakiulit ko yung question.
Yung shares of stocks, pag-ari na ng holding company. Kaya nga nakalagay, investment in ABS-CBN shares of stock.
If ABS Holdings sells those shares, if ABS Holdings sells those shares,
yes,
then it will get the proceeds from the...
Hindi nga, kaya nga. Original lang tayo, basic lang naman tayo eh. So, 132 million shares listed sa Philippine Stock. Binili ni Vice Chairman using his broker. Sabi ni Mike Defensor, ako na lahat ang bibili niyan sapagkat sa tingin ko, very prosperous ang mag-invest sa ABS-CBN. Binayaran niya ng 6 billion 72 million 10,000 pesos. Of course, itatanong niya, sino ba ang payee?
The payee will be ABS Holdings Corporation.
The holding company.
Yes, sir.
The holding company would be the payee.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, mag-i-issue siya ng cheque, money order check or bank transfer for 6 billion 72 million and 10,000 pesos payable to the holding company.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ang susunod kong tanong, yung bang binayad ni Chairman Defensor na 6 billion recorded sa books of accounts ng holding company?
Should be recorded, Your Honor.
It should be recorded. Pero at the end of the year, yung 6 billion 72 million wala sa inyong balance sheet. Saan nagpunta?
Nandun po ho sa balance sheet ho yun. Noong 1999 ho.
Oh, yes. Oh, I have a copy here. Para hindi ka na mahirapan. Oh, meron bang cash dyan?
It's there, Your Honor.
Oh, how much is the cash?
6 billion 72.
Huh?
6 billion 72 million. Investment in ABS-CBN shares.
Oh nga, investment yan eh. Pero iba yung investment, iba yung cash. There is a change in the form of asset. Before, it was investment in ABS-CBN, ibinenta na yung shares of stocks, change in the asset, nawala na yung investment, naibenta na yung shares, there must be the corresponding cash.
Hindi ho binenta ng ABS Holdings yung shares. Ang binenta ko are the PDRs.
Kaya nga, babalik na naman tayo. PDR, binenta kay Vice Chairman Defensor. Sabi niya,
hindi ho shares ang binenta.
ha? Hindi. Meron nga one share of stock eh. Oh. Nakalagay yan naman dito eh. Sabi niya, I will exercise the option price. So, 10 centavos, bibiling ko ang shares of stocks. Sino ngayon ang owner ng shares of stocks ng ABS-CBN Corporation?
Pag na-convert ho, it will be the PDR holder. Pag kinonvert niya ho.
So, si Mike Defensor.
But that was not what happened in 1999.
Hindi nga, pero sinasabi ko, nagbenta kayo eh. Inassume na lang natin na binigla na yung 132 million. O wag na 132 million. Binenta na lamang ang binilang niya 1 million. hindi nyo naibenta ang 131 million shares. 1 million ang binigay, ang binenta, ang binili ni Mike Defensor. So, ang total consideration, 46 million. Tama ba?
Hindi, ang binenta ko ng ABS Holdings are PDRs, not shares.
Oo nga, kaya ito, balik na naman tayo rito. Tagal na natin pinag-usapan to eh. The PDR forms part of an authorized issue of PDR, granting the holder, Mike Defensor, the right to delivery or sale of the shares of the shares at the exercise price as adjusted, which PDR has been issued subject to and with the benefit of a PDR instrument dated October 5, 1999, executed by the issuer. The issuer is the holding company.
Yes, Your Honor.
And are enforceable severally by each holder against the issuer. Mike Defensor holder against the issuer. Copies of the PDR instrument are available for inspection by the holders and may be deemed by them from the principal place of business of the issuer and the PDR registrar. The holder shall be deemed to have notice of the provision. Okay. The PDR, last paragraph, the PDR represented by this certificate does not represent shares of stocks, but only confers a right to the delivery or sale of existing shares of stock of ABS Broadcasting owned by the issuer, subject to the terms and conditions stated therein by PDR instrument. So, pag nag-invest ba si Mike Defensor sa 1 million shares of stock, will he be considered the owner of the 1 million shares of stock underlying the 1 million PDRs?
Kung shares of stock ang investa niya, he will be an investor in the shares. Pero kung PDRs ang investment niya, PDRs lang ang kanyang...
Oo nga, pero the problem is that one, okay, kung PDR man, huwag ng shares of stocks. Sino ang tumanggap ng 46 million?
For the PDRs, no?
For the PDRs.
Ang ABS Holdings ang tumanggap.
The holding company. So, ang assumption natin, yung holding company, tinanggap nila 46 million, there will be an entry in their books na meron silang hawak na 46 million. Tama po ba?
Pesos, yes.
O, tama. Okay. So, nagkaroon tayo ng hearing last time. Oh, is there anyone who wants to answer aside from Attorney Quezon?
Our accountant will be able to answer. Ms. Kaimon.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Ms. Kaimon.